Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show us how to resolve the system preparation tool error code that it was not able to validate your Windows installation. And it says review the log, add, and then it gives a file path on your computer. For details, after resolving the issue, use Sysprep to validate your installation once again. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it, and we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu, type in PowerShell. Best result should come back a Windows PowerShell. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. And now I'm going to have a command in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy it and then go up to the top bar of the PowerShell window here, right click on it, select Edit, and then select Paste to paste it in. Hit Enter. Okay, so once you have a blinking cursor, you can just close it here. Go ahead and restart your computer, and that should be about it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.